Answer to question 8.1. We are given f of x. F of x equal to 3 minus 2x squared. Remember the formula to determine the derivative of f of x, which is f of x prime. We state that lim f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h, that is h tend to 0, which means h is approaches to 0. Now we know f of x. We need to determine f of x plus h. What does that mean? Anywhere you see x, you have to increase it by h. Let us go for it. F of x plus h is going to give us 3 minus 2 into x plus h squared. We increase x by h. So therefore, we are going to have 3 minus 2 into x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. That is, you expand the x plus h squared. We are going to have x squared plus 2xh plus h squared, which is going to give us 3 minus 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared. Now, we are now going to use the formula we have now. We know f of x plus h. We also know f of x. Now, let us now apply the formula. We have lim h is 10 to 0. Our f of x plus h is equal to this, which is 3 minus 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared. 3, 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared minus f of x, which is 3 minus 2x squared divided by h. Now we can have lim h is 10 to 0, 3 minus 2x squared minus 4xh minus 2h squared minus 3 plus 2x squared divided by h. Now, we have already substituted for the f of x plus h and f of x. From the expression we have now, we can see that these 3, we go for this, and this one, we also go for this. We are now left with lim h is 10 to 0 minus 4xh minus 2h squared divided by h. Now factorize the numerator. So we need to factorize the numerator now. So when you factorize the numerator, we are going to have lim h is 10 to 0. H is common. Numerator, we are taking h outside. We are left with minus 4x minus 2h divided by h. Now from here, we can see h, we go for h. This h, we go for this h. We are now left with lim h is 10 to 0 minus 4x minus 2h. Put h is equal to 0. That is, anywhere you see h, you have to put 0. So therefore, we are going to have minus 4x minus 2 into 0, which is going to give us minus 4x. From here now, we have already substituted for the h, which is equal to 0, which is minus 2 multiplied by 0 will give us 0. Therefore, f of x prime from first principle will give us minus 4x. F of x prime from the first principle is going to give us minus 4x. So this is the answer for question 8.1.